Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Jam Tours from Jam Tours Africa family. I never really want to make this video, family. I never really want to mention anything more about Demon or anything else to deal with the matter, because this matter is done and closed. And I'm happy, man. Now I have nothing to worry about. But I've been getting some WhatsApp message from people, family, and I just want to actually just make a video, family, because the person say I should make a video. This is what the person say. Good morning. I am writing you this message with sadness in my heart. I would love for you to come out and address the situation with you and D. Jam Tours. There are people online making threats to her not to return to Jamaica. This Oliver Life. Big up Oliver Life. You're the real Jamaican reactor. Like when you react to the video them and thing. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. As Jamaicans, we support Jamaica. As Jamaica, we support everybody. As Jamaica, you come from Africa, we support you 100,000,000%. You know what I mean? Because the connection that Jamaicans have with Africa, you know what I mean? It's a different thing. As you know, all reggae artists actually talk about Jamaica in their music, and that's the reason why we actually there, because we listen to the music and hear everybody I say, yo, back to Africa. You know what I mean? Kalangola. Kalangola. I mean say Kala. All of them sang the family, and Bob Marley, all of them sang the Reggae King, and you know what I mean, revolutionary freedom fighter. So Africa full place. And you know, we was actually taken to Jamaica. You know what I mean, the kings and queens and you know what I mean, the one where rebel was taken to Jamaica. So Jamaica is the center of everything. And you know what I mean, we just want to let you guys know that, you know what I mean, a art of love. But this person seems very depressing, and you know what I mean, and stuff. So she write me this thing. Say people are saying, go and do your thing, man. I make a video. So people are saying threat, and I say, yo, you know what I mean, Demongo should return to Jamaica family. And I just want to make this video to clear the air and let you guys know I have nothing against Demongo. I wish them all the best. I wish them move on and make a billions followers. And I wish that they actually, you know what I mean, start to support them community and support people. And maybe that's why people in Jamaica get upset, because, you know what I mean, you know, it's crazy. But I just want to actually just make this video to let you guys know that, you know what I mean, you know, just to let you guys know that Demongo, I have nothing against her, and you know what I mean, and as a Jamaicans, you know, maybe that's just one comment, and somebody comment one thing don't mean that anything will happen to her. So I just making this video for this subscriber. This Oliver Lifestyle JA is insinuating violence against her. Please come out and speak. Telling Jamaica to leave her alone. I don't know you, but I am one of your long-time subscribers. Jamaica has a bad reputation. So One Love Africa come here. And you know, I make a video One Love, because the people, some people are messaging me up on WhatsApp, man, and tell me say, oh, like Jamaica people, they start pick up the whole Demongo situation with me and her and things. So people, you know Jamaican serious. You know Jamaican serious.
Yeah, man.
So somebody messaged me and say, yo, they must send threat, and I said, you shouldn't return to Jamaica, dog. So I have to make that video and I tell people, say, yo, even though if I want somebody comment that, it don't really mean nothing. Jamaicans not do Africans nothing.
They're not nobody.
You know, worse.
I'll start them attack.
Yeah, start them attack. So I make people know that I start them attack.
Matter of fact, if anybody threaten her, most something should do in Jamaica to someone.
You see what I mean?
All of them are defend her.
Yeah,
so I know I'm not threatening her. So most something go on.
I know when I get back my money and get back everything's nice with me.
Yeah.
But I don't even trouble her about that.
Leave her alone.
Because actually, I get back my thing, I'm happy and whatever.
Yeah, but just leave her alone, man.
If they never do her nothing, when me that cry out on the internet and I cry in a ball and I say, yo, really, I need help. Why no?
Leave her alone.
That's what I say. So
let the young girl stay.
That's what I say, people. So I just want to make this video and clear the air, family, that me not nothing against her, and you know what I mean, people, I'm from Jamaica, unless she do somebody else something.
Yeah,
and they want to do our things.
There's no reason to send threat to her.
There's no reason to send threat to her.
Big up the supporters them.
Yeah.
Yeah, look out, but now it's the wrong time. Just let she stay.
Yeah.
Everything is good now. She's squashed. make she go a yard, but enjoy herself because Jamaica is for everyone, you know.
Yeah.
Not just me and you.
And Jamaica is a place that a lot of people go to Jamaica and get inspiration to actually follow them journey and them destiny.
Yes, just like
Jamaica, a lot of
people go there.
Yeah, a lot of actually big artists like Sting, all them big artists, they come to Jamaica, come relax and get inspiration to make music.
Ian Fleming, Airport.
Yeah, all of them things there.
James Bond, the man who starred James Bond, who write it, the film.
Yeah.
Fleming, he go to Jamaica.
We get the inspiration.
And they say creating movie.
Yeah, so I tell you, say, yo, all my kids, them have to go to Jamaica, go school and get tap into the culture from Jamaica where everything start. Jamaica is a brand. We're there and we just use brand Jamaica and we survive. So the name alone, you know, make people survive. But that's the thing now, Ricardo. It's serious now because in a case like D-Mongo now, we must have a little hurricane. And people might have look and say, oh, she never like maybe make a video or donate none to nobody and things. So people maybe I look and
people can't look on that thing because any day, you see Mrs. Mongo or D-Mongo, she have whole heap of things for her head. Because she's a young lady that try her thing, you know.
Yeah.
She have places to go. She can't just stay at Jamaica and say, yo, okay, Jamaica one country affected by this storm. What about the rest of the country?
No, but think about it. She does Jamaica and that's where she make the most money. The most money from the content.
Yes.
So you know if she's supposed to give back or do something or,
no,
you know what I mean?
That's
what I'm saying.
She don't own nobody no obligation.
No. That means supposed to say other local YouTuber do it. Like all what that guy name?
Yes. Foreigner do it too.
Yeah,
no people are
see
doing it.
A lot of local Jamaica YouTuber do it. What you call this boy? The Colors. Colors are doing thing.
Who you Colors?
He's a YouTuber.
Yardy.
And he give people zinc and put out thing and things.
That's nice.
But that's the thing.
But a film place, a Yardy and we supposed to do that.
I understand what I said. No, but she does Jamaica, she make content out of it, so maybe that's why people upset. That's what I say that.
Content out of it, but she the American, she get what she want.
Yeah, but that's what I say. People say, oh, she's a user and thing, but that's how it's a family. You know what I mean?
That's what people want to say because from the day one, she already have her mission and her goal.
Yeah.
And she complete her goal. That's she move on. She get what she want. The people and get she do something. She do things in Jamaica because she got without the storm. And I think she put up something for someone. I don't know. And she help out some people there.
Yeah. Well,
She did something, so you have to give her flowers for that.
Yeah.
A whole heap of people in the comment section who follow D-Mongo. Them now they nothing, you know.
Yeah.
Them just I'm gonna talk, you make it ready. Let me talk a piece because I want them in the video and the people on the wall going. But hear me I say, a whole heap of people, a whole heap of Jamaicans and Caribbeans who follow D-Mongo come from Jamaica.
Yeah, dog, like
and them never
so
send.
Much.
They never me don't know if enough of them or 50% of them send even one zinc in the storm season or even buy one barrel. A lot of them in America, England, Canada, these places. And we can guarantee see 30% or 50% of them didn't or never buy a barrel or a box of food and send. So help out somebody, people at homes, people in school, whatever, you understand? So if she come and not do it is not a problem. Not because she get content from the country. If a give and take. She been there and I think she was helping out some people. So if she don't want to do it, she don't do it. If she want to do it, it's up to she. I fear her money, we can't tell her to spend it. It's not her country. You see, that's the thing. People have to understand, sir. I fear if you want to try to use Jamaica, the whole of them use Jamaica. All of them we hear talk about Jamaica this and Jamaica that. All of them use Jamaica. All of them. And I just them, you can't blame them. Because if Jamaica itself put themselves on the map for people to use them, people are going to use and abuse them, just like the music. People use the culture, like, the food, the music. Even Bob Marley thing, Jamaicans that use Jamaica. You understand? Who don't like Jamaica because Bob Marley thing, the government himself.
Yeah.
Him never, not have Andrew Wallace, the previous government before Andrew Wallace.
Yeah.
Them used to ban Bob Marley thing pan. Like, for instance, Dread used to get a lot of fight.
Rasta get a lot of fight.
Rasta get a lot of fight. And not just that, them cuss. You man, them cuss. When come up to Rastafarism.
Yeah.
If you're lax, you get fight. If you're talk righteousness, you get fight. Rasta never used to get a certain player. You can't get a job if you're a Rasta. You try to force a religion upon you or try to force something upon you and say, yo, this have to work with. If you look like this, talk like this, act like this, or move like this, then cut you off. But right now, Rasta name is on tourist board.
You record if Jamaica there's a man that cut it already, you know.
Wow.
Banana.
Yeah, man, I cut a long time, man.
I'm sure the people
Long time.
you can't hang out like that and a man to come and cut that dog. Trust me, I tell your family, see there? Banana. Banana. Cut already. Once it hang over, a man just come and cut off a bunch and gone.
I'm gonna wait because first let's say I like 6 and gone. And then next day come and see the thing gone.
Yeah, family. So with there, I mean, I read out the message for the subscriber sent me.
Yeah.
Jamaica has a bad reputation, and if they should kill her there, it's not going to be good. I'm begging you. I feel it. Please do this for your children. I am nervous. I am not there in Jamaica, so I am talking about even kidnapper and stuff like that.
Why a person come out and say that? No, like what give them the reason to jump up and say that? And the last time I said something in my video, the last video I did, I said, yo, they should stop it. Something like that, me say?
Yeah.
And people jump in my comment section and say, yo, stop telling life on Jamaica. And people are making it sound like say me I bash the country.
Yeah.
When everybody and them grandmother know that a lot of young ladies get missing and a lot of crime is going on. Crime is everywhere. Yeah. But at least man in the Caribbean, Jamaica is a loving country. They can calm it down and tone it down, you know?
Yeah, family. So I make this video to make you guys know that, you know what I mean, nobody want trouble didn't want to go in Jamaica because she's safe.
Yeah, man.
She's safe like CFX.
If she had changed tone, nobody not trouble her.
Yeah, she good, you know what I mean? And she have a lot of people there for, unless she do somebody dirty in Jamaica. Yeah. That's the only way.
And when she do things, she not come here and talk. So you're not gonna know unless somebody come and talk.
Yeah.
If she wrong or she right, you're not gonna see her come on social media and highlight her, address things. She act like say everything is good, but behind a closed door, everything is not good.
Yeah.
If she do somebody something, then the only reason why they would want to do her something. But for now, she's safe, you know.
So I just want to tell you guys to take jam tours of the picture right now. I know if you do with them, be done with them, whatever situation we have, me use the law and deal with it, and me done. So nobody no call me name about nothing, them dead to me. Alright? So we just make the video to clear the ear, family, because this subscriber are so nervous and I don't want, you know what I mean, nobody to say, oh, me they tell you this and tell you that when anything happen. That have to do with jam tours.
No, don't do nothing over yourself. Take you out to the equator. Take you out to the equator, please. I understand.
So Oliver Lifestyle JA is like a Jamaican reactor. When you watch him, he react to the video and it seems like it go viral in Jamaica right now. To the whole situation, like, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know what I mean? I pull back some video long time when we cry out and I say, yo. Yeah. You know what I mean?
And the people, the same people who bash and say, Ray.
So everybody, so Oliver say, yo, John was star. Jamaican people support Jamaican and stuff, so it's like everybody feel guilty and all that. So
yeah, jump up.
Jump up and all. But the most Jamaican are wagonist, we all know that already.
Fussy. Some say Gaza, some say Gully. All the man lock up and it was a Vendetta and 6.
Yeah, so man. Oliver J.A., big up yourself. He say,
yo, Oliver! Tell them say the message of it deliver.
Yeah, so I was unalive, so many Jamaicans were commenting and threatening D because of you. It was ugly. I was sick to my stomach. Can you imagine if they hurt her? God forbid. Listen, I am not condoning what had happened between you, but I think her brother was involved. This is just my opinion. Yes, come out and said that, but some Jamaicans want to eat her alive. I'm begging you to do a live telling Jamaicans to leave her alone.
Yo, thanks, why you never talk about doing live instead of send back the money? or leave us alone and stop sending threats. Look how much threats you send. And people are threatening with. Within African people are trying to fix silent with.
Yeah.
Me no want nobody come to go and say nah. You see it?
Yeah, family. So we just want to let you guys know that, you know what I mean, you know, nothing harm to her. If anything happened to her, she must do something bad to somebody. So, you know, I hope you guys like and share this video and let them know that, you know, jam tours have nothing to do with them. You know what I mean? Until further notice, that is it. And, you know, a family, that is it. So you don't have to feel scared. You can feel okay. Everything is fine. I know some Jamaicans, as I said, you know, they like to pick up things in the morning, and, you know, but this already passed and gone, and the problem resolved, and I have nothing against her. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? When it come on, nobody needs to fight for me again. When I not beg for support, me never get it. So,
you turn against me.
Run away and go away.
You turn against me. Left the girl alone.
Move, go away, Kiba.
Yeah.
Alright, family, I'm out. One love, God bless. You know what I mean? Jamaica, I'm out.